Welcome back to day 18 of our 100 Days Python Coding Challenge. Today, we're diving into a fascinating challenge, creating a square pattern in Python using numbers starting from 1 point. Challenge description. Ever wondered how to create a square pattern using Python? Look no further. In today's challenge, we'll harness the power of Python to craft a square pattern with A rows, each showcasing numbers starting from 1. Input. The input will be a single line containing an integer representing A output. The output should be A rows containing numbers starting from 1 as a square in the sample output. Sample input and output are also be given for your reference. Don't miss out. Ensure you're subscribed to our channel and have notifications turned on. Never miss a coding challenge or tutorial. Like, share, subscribe. If you find value in our content, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your fellow coders, and subscribe for more engaging Python challenges and tutorials. Join us as we elevate our Python skills, one challenge at a time. Happy coding!